To start, click on the background and change the background color to black. Go to Elements and search for Zipper and Graphics. Choose a zipper element, rotate it, and adjust its size. Next, go to Apps and search for Typecraft. Type your text and choose a suitable font style. Change the text color. Shape your text as desired. Click at Element to design and resize it. Edit the text to fit along the zipper design. Duplicate this page. Click on the text, change the color to white, and update the element. Move the text layer behind the zipper. Go to Draw, click Highlighter, choose black color. Make the transparency 100%. And cover a specific part of the design. Download this page. Then, upload the downloaded design. Go to the first page, move the text layer behind the zipper. Drag and drop to the top left corner of the first page to cover the entire page. Remove the background, and there you have your final result. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.